Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you what you only need to know to start trading or investing. And as of now, I can say that stocks are currently on sale. Mind you, you don't need title. What I mean about it, guy, you don't need to be a lawyer, to be a doctor, an accountant. You don't even need to be smart or genius. So it is okay if you are a driver, a sales lady, an OFW, an online seller, etc. What you only need is a capital that you can afford to lose. Example, you invested 10,000 pesos and it did not go the way you want it to be. Sabi ni saya pa kay nalugi imong investment. So you will have a negative portfolio or paper loss. What if the stocks that you invested go the way you want it to be? So na-gain ka example of 5,000. So we call it paper gains as long as you will not sell it. So how can we make it a reality? So we need to buy stocks or shares. And in the market, there are 272 stocks available for us to pick. So if you miss an opportunity, you don't need to worry because there's a lot or plenty to choose from. In picking stocks, I will divide it into three forms. First form, we have blue chips. These are the stocks that represent the Philippines. So shout out tas atong mga amigo-amiga diha nga hilig og pageant nga represent sa ilang laing barangay og lungsod that also exists here in stock market. These stocks are under PSEI, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. This is what indicates if we are in a bullish or bearish market. Bullish or bull market means most of the stocks are going up and everybody is genius. So if stocks go up, it also go down, and that's what we call bearish market. And if you find yourself profitable at this time, then I can suggest that you may quit your job. And now let's talk about the second form, that is our penny stocks. These stocks are priced less than 1 peso, like 10 centavos, 20 centavos, 50 centavos. These stocks has many names, and they also call it basura stocks, but these stocks are the favorite of our short-term trader because they usually accumulate high volume. The higher the volume, the higher the risk, but the higher the reward. In the Philippines, it's the squatter area. So shout out to sa atong mga higala ko silingan rata. That's where also I belong. Last form is our REITs. So this stocks is like owning a rental business. So you expect a monthly payment. In this, you most likely receive it quarterly, and it will depend on the occupancy rate, and also the price can go up and may also go down. So in the Philippines, this is our Camila Homes. Knowing those, what is my basis to pick a certain stocks? We need to first understand that stocks are divided into many sectors, which are financial, industrial, holding firms, property, services, mining, and oils. In financial sectors, this is where we can find BPI, BDO, PNB, S-West. Under holding firms, we can find SM, Ayala. And under mining, this is where we can find nickel, FNI. And often advise that we need to diversify when investing or trading. Why? Example is the government decided to stop the mining, and you bought all the mining stocks that you can see under that sector, then definitely you won't expect that the price will go up if it will happen. So do not put all of your eggs in one basket. So what are our bases to choose a certain stock to a specific sector? So we usually base that on fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental means the long-term direction of the trend. So you need to study the profitability and the growth of the company, the earnings, and it also affected by the economy, the politics, and etc. Meanwhile, the technical analysis is a study of a human behavior when people buy and sell. It create patterns. So shout out ta sa atong mga psych students diha. As you go along, you will realize that there are a lot of things happening in the market. There will be hype and hula analysis. What I mean about hype analysis is a page or a person is hyping their stocks, and sometimes it can really move the price to go up, and there will be a hula analysis. It is just based on your speculation that the price will go up and posted it in social media. So if you choose that path, just make sure to do your own due diligence or research. By knowing this, you can now actually start investing or trading. It's just actually easy or simple. If you don't know where to start, you can actually go to your respective bank. If you have an account to BPI, then you can open a BPI trade. So BPI will be your brokerage firm. And if you have BDO, then you can open BDO Nomura. And if you have Metrobank, then there is First Metro for you. Why start now? Because the only way for you to create a strategy that will work for you is by starting now. At the same time, that's the only way you will know your risk appetite. Once again, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa atong sunod nga video. And in this channel, we'll keep everything simple.